Hello friends, welcome to Polar Blizzard. Before we enter the game mode, maybe we should start with a quick overview of the map I designed first. So I am going to fly up really high, like this. Okay, since the game is a deathmatch game, the two opposite sides of the map are symmetrical, and there are three different roads connecting the birth point and the center of the map for players to choose from. Hey, look at the pinkish color of the sunrise. I drew this sketch of the map before I built up everything in Fortnite Editor, and I marked all the important structures on both of them so that you could get a greater grasp of the map and everything. Alright, let's start the game. Before we start, I should probably remind you that I am a terrible FPS game player, so just got my first pistol, but this is not a weapon strong enough for all the enemies, so I am going fishing, which is a main feature of the game, that players have to collect all their weapons and supplies by fishing. See, there's some bullets I got, and a shield. That's nice. Hey, a fish! These are for healing. Nice, a rifle. That's what I need. I'm going to collect all the stuff I fished and maybe show around some other places in the map. We could exit the supply house from the back door. Okay, here's another road. Hi there. If we turn right from here, we will return to the birth point, but we're not going to do that. This is a healing spot where all the fishes are respawned every 60 seconds. All three roads are connected to the center. What's special about the center is that there is a large fishing spot that players could get all those very valuable weapons. Oh my god. I'm really bad at shooting people, you know. Climbing up the building. And here we are. A large fishing spot. Let's try do some fishing. Oh. Here we go. A weapon with higher damage. I'm gonna do some more. Ah, that's a grenade. Oh, that looks cool. Nice. Now I'm looking for some enemies so I could try my weapons. This one. There's two! Why did I hit him? Oh no. What'd I do? I am so bad at this. I don't know what to do. Oh, I think I'm going to die. Alright, thanks for watching. I really tried.